Channel, and so today, just like play out the camera vlog with you guys. And so I know you guys know what it's like to go on vacation. I'm in the backyard right now, wondering where I am. So I know that you guys know what it's like to go on vacation. So I'm going one in like the end, and I think it's the last week of June. The annoying thing is that so the day that we're leaving is July 1st, and that's the day that my birthday is. Sorry, hold on. Okay, yeah, sorry. Okay, back to what I was doing. There is gonna be, the annoying thing about my birthdays, which I'm obviously gonna record. Okay, so I know you guys think it's probably sad when you're like, oh man, days and vacation. No, tomorrow we're going back home. And then you're like, hey, tomorrow we're going back home. Oh, we're on this plane. It's so boring. Well, the day that we get back from vacation, that day is my birthday. That's the day we get back from Hawaii. That's where I'm going. And when I went to Puerto Vallarta, I actually didn't show them much of the hotel and stuff. The reason why is because, I can't show other people on YouTube. I can't do that. And, there's people everywhere. It's a hotel. What do you expect? Maybe I should have made a little tour from... I could have actually done a little tour of the... Eva, ew. Ew. Eva, don't drink that. Don't drink that. Ah, ah, ah. So yesterday I did a vlog and I was breaking the milk jug and I was throwing it. Yeah, the dog will bite their tail. Eva, don't. Eva, no. Are you gonna stop? Come on! Eva! Eva, no! Eva! I'll run and then she usually will run. Eva, get back here! Get back here! Get back here! Get back! Get back! Back. Eva. Without being run to the jug. What's up to this? Oh. No, give me that. Give me that, Eva. This is the one. Cost $300 billion, Eva. That's a lot. A lot of money, Eva. You would become famous in a bad way if you broke this. Look at this. I'm gonna become famous right now. Ready, set, go! Oh my gosh, it went through, but it didn't break. Get back with that! Get back! Get back! Get back! No! I'm willing to do this because of your teeth! You know how some people feel about money? Yeah, I do like money, actually. This was actually a shovel at once. Ah. Oh. Ah. Ah. Eva, don't. I'm gonna throw the phone. 3, 2. This phone's actually unbreakable. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Oops. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to catch that. Eva? My dog. You think you're so tough? Guys, she's just drinking water, guys. Calm down. Calm down. She's just drinking water. Go get a drink of water right now. Go get a drink of water. Drop it. Oh, you think that's funny? Oh, you think you're so tough? Because you're not getting into a fight. If you... Eva? Well, thanks for watching today's vlog, and yeah, I'll see you another day. All right, bye.